Hey YouTube, Wagwan. Welcome back to the channel, guys. So today I'm riding my, not today, but last night I was riding my bike and then I noticed there's a light come on for the ESD. So a lot of people keep on saying it's something to do with the battery. So the first thing I'm gonna test, I'm gonna just take up the seat and see if anything with the battery. The bike is 2023, guys. I just had 35,000 miles, not 35,000 miles, 3,500 miles. So 3,500 miles. That's what I have on the bike. And it's not even a year since well, I have 36,000 now. It's not even a year since I owned the bike. So there's no way the battery should go bad that quick. It's a little dirty. I need to clean it. So let's go ahead, take up the seat, see what's going on under there. So, you have the key right here. You want to twist this and pull up on this right here. Okay, just put the key right here just to hold the key. Pull this forward. So this is the passenger seat. And I didn't want to take my bike to the dealer because you can see like this it was vibrating a lot. The dealer put on the windshield and you can see they set this wrong. I am the one that removed this and set it the correct way, but you can see how they have this. They set that one wrong, they set this one wrong. This part should be between the plastic, but I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna do another video. The reason why haven't done it yet is because I want to change out the screws and put some gold screws in it. So with that, but anyway, let's get back to why we're here. ESD 2023 Kawasaki zx10r. So pull this like that, pull it down and pull this out. I'm just gonna put this on the floor so we don't scratch the bike or anything like that. We're gonna lift up on the seat a little bit, slide back. So you lift up on the seat a little bit, slide back, and then you lift the front up and slide forward. And there go your battery. So let's check the battery. This terminal is nice and tight. So that might be the problem, guys. I think we find a problem. So I never change the battery on this bike. I never do the battery. All is done from the dealer when they take the bike out the crate. Cause I got my bike straight out the crate, and all they had to do was put on this right here, and put the battery in and put gas in the bike. That's all they had to do, and not even that they couldn't get right. I can see how loose that is right there. So that's just wild. So I'm gonna get a 10mm. Hopefully I can get something under there. Alright, so I'm gonna need to set that properly, because you can see. So I guess it turns out right online where it state that see, I can use my finger to take it loose. That's wild. Alright, so how should I set it? I think I'm gonna set it like this, because you can see they even bent that a little bit. You see it bent back because they forced it wrong. So I guess it should set like this, where it would set level. So I gotta take out that nut right here and slide the nut in right long way that way. So what I'm gonna use. I'm gonna get a pick or something. So guys, we get a small Allen key. It is right here. So we're gonna try to take this, screw this nut out without dropping it. I got it. Oh shit! But it still fall out. So I was trying my best not to drop it, and then I actually dropped it. That's wild. So we're gonna go ahead and slide a nut in right there for it to hold right there. And now we're gonna get this right here and put this like this so it sits flush. So I don't know what kind of mechanic these dealers have. Oh my gosh, this is crazy. Like, how hard was that? How hard was that to set that like that? No, just need to get a 10 millimeter, tighten that up properly. Alright guys, so it's 10 millimeter. Alright guys, so 10 millimeter, slug it up. Don't make your ratchet touch anything on it unless it's a negative. So it can touch the negative because the rest of the bike is negative, but don't let it touch anything if you're on the positive. But since it was just the positive, all right. So guys, it was 10 millimeter. Go ahead and put this back over this like that. That's good. So we're gonna go ahead and start the bike. Make sure all is well. So that's it for this one, guys. Please go ahead, like, comment, share, subscribe to the channel, and at least put the bike back together, right? So we're gonna hook this under here first, then we're gonna hook it to the front, make sure it's hooked, and then you're gonna make sure it's down over those two little thing right there. Let's see if you can see it good. It's right in there. Get a light so you can see what need to be done. So you see where I put that right there. That's what I'm talking about. So that part is good. The next thing we need to put the lock part, which is this part. It goes in this way, like this. Okay. If I can do it with my one hand, guys, you can do it with both hands. Just take your time, no need to rush. I don't know why Kavi think it's a good idea to put that right there. Like they want you to scratch your bike. Alright, so let's see it again. Okay. We got it with one hand, so you know what that mean? I got it with one hand, you know what that mean? You guys can do it with both of your hands. You guys can do it. And then I saved myself with a trip to the dealer by just doing that. Alright, time to put this piece in. It goes in like this. You gotta pull the seat forward like that. Give it access for it to go down in it. And you can see those two clips thing go down in there. So that's good. Alright, the next thing we're gonna do is put the seat back on. So you're gonna hook it in the back and just lock it down. That's it. Peace out. See you next time.